Hello everyone, this is Tanner here with another leather review again. We have another type of goat skin in front of us. This is an embossed two-tone effect buffed goat skin. Very thin, very lightweight item. You can see it's super soft. You can crumble it down to a bowl and it comes back. You can open it up, and I like the sound, by the way, because of that embossed tips of the grain are buffed off. The darker color from the suede comes out, and the sprayed aniline top goes in the valleys of the embossing, giving that kind of like eye hypnotizing pattern to this item. What is this good for? I would use this for usually outer coverings of some wallets and even some details of bigger crafts, but you definitely need some supporting material. This is super soft. People use this usually as the top layer, the front end of the design, but on the back you can use supporting materials like salpa or salamander or leather pads, or you can cover another split cowhide just to get this beautiful effect on the outer face of your craft. Or if you want to go even fancier, you can use this as inner lining. The colors are gorgeous. We have about 3 colors in front of us as a sample here. There's a purplish one, there's the light blue one. Again, the lining or outer covering for smaller crafts. This is a good detail piece for usually like high fashion items. If you're interested in using leathers like this to enhance your crafts, this is a great option. We're going to start bringing some of these articles soon to our Tannerstein website so you can purchase it. The price is going to be again around $4.5 to $5 a square foot, and these are pretty small skins. These are baby goats, about 4 square foot each on average. Pretty affordable, good options to enhance your crafts. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in using some of these articles, maybe you're curious about a different color option, please let us know. We're here to help. We go around the world to find you any kind of leather you may need to enhance your craft. We're always looking forward to hear from you. Thank you and happy crafting.